This is 2021 Spring AMC 10A Problem 13. What is the volume of tetrahedron ABCD with edge length AB equals 2, AC equals 3, AD equals 4, BC equals root 13, BD equals 2 root 5, and CD equals 5? So I've already drawn a graph here, and I've labeled the sides also. So it's kind of obvious from the graph that, well, triangle ACD, is a right triangle. Because we see 3, 4, 5, right? 3 squared plus 4 squared is obviously equal to 5 squared. So this is a right triangle. Okay, so that's just one really useful clue right there. Now another piece of clue we probably need is are there any other right triangles? Because if there are, then this could help us a lot. So essentially, what we could figure out is that triangle ABD is also a right triangle. Triangle ABD is also a right triangle. And also triangle ABC is also a right triangle, because if you see here, we know that for triangle ABD, 2 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 2 root 5 squared, and for triangle ABC, 2 squared plus 3 squared is equal to root 13 squared. So yeah, so that's just our angle. So let me just label the angles. So this angle behind over there is supposed to be a right angle. So I'll try to make it look like a right angle. And then also this angle here is supposed to be a right angle. Something like that. And then we want the volume of this tetrahedron. So there are a few things to consider. So there are a few things to consider. The first thing is that where's our height, right? It's like which sides are our height, which sides are our base. So I've decided that after some decision, I've decided to make triangle ACD our base. So triangle ACD is a 3, 4, 5 one, and it has an area of, well, 3 times 4 over 2, which is 6. So what about our height? That means our height comes from B, right? So our height comes from B. So let me just redraw our graph here. So the height comes from B, like that, and onto ACD, which I'll be drawing again. So A, C, D. Probably something like that. So now that we've redrawn the graph in this right perspective for our height and base, we can figure out how to work out BE. I'll just call this point E. So how do we work out BE then? Well, we can use the Pythagorean theorem, because BE is just perpendicular to this whole plane with triangle ACD on it. So where do we use the Pythagorean theorem? Well, one way to do this is that, so firstly, we know that ABC is a right triangle with a right angle at angle A. So that's right. And then BCD is not right. So BCD is not right, but ABD is also a right angle, is also a right triangle. And again, the right angle is at angle A. Like that. So since we have 2 right angles in a row, and that is also a right angle, then essentially we already know that AB is actually our height, because look, so from this we know that AB is already perpendicular to this side, and it's also perpendicular to this side, so it's already perpendicular to this whole plane over here. So AB is actually our height. We already know AB is 2, so our actual whole volume is just going to be 1/3 times 2 times 6, which is 4. Our answer is going to be 4, or C. So thanks for watching. Bye.